Hello, I will introduce shortly the new device. This is a universal braille keyboard with an audio output. It is the most advanced keyboard ever made because it has many internal functions. Functions like daisy player, like calculator, like voice recorder, like color test and others. This device, even if it is very advanced, it doesn't have many keys. The keyboard is very simple. It has only 8 keys representing the braille dots. So this is the dot 1, dot 2, dot 3, dot 4, dot 5, dot 6, dot 7 and dot 8. It has also additional 3 buttons which we use to control the audio or to control internal functions. To switch the device on, we have to use the switch buttons. We have to press it just shortly, and then after few seconds the device will be ready to work. We can connect to this device SD card, and we can connect to it USB memory stick, headphones, external audio signal. IBAI ready. The device was switched off totally, so the time for getting ready was few seconds, several seconds. But when we switch it off to sleeping mode, so we get the message bye, now we can switch it on very fast. So during the day, during our work day, we don't have to switch it off totally. We can only go to sleep mode. To get back, it takes less than half a second. Okay. The device is ready to work. Now I show you how simple it is to connect it to the computer through the Bluetooth and how we can drive the computer. To connect it to the computer, we have to switch on the Bluetooth in this device and go to the list of authorized device. So we just pressing letter B, the dot 1 and 2, and we get a message. Do you want to add new device to the list? Do you want to add a new device to the list? Because this list is empty, the device is asking us, do we want to add a new device to the list? Yes, we want to add the new device to the list, so we answer yes, pressing the letter Y. Dot 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start the connection process on the external device. Okay, now we have to start the connection process on the external device. So we have to go take the device which we want to connect to the IBAI and start the connection of the device. I will show you how this is work on the computer. So let's go to computer screen now. So I will open the main menu and I will try to find Bluetooth settings to be able to switch the Bluetooth on the computer. Okay, the Bluetooth was on my computer was off, so I will switch it on. Okay, it's switched on and it's looking for the Bluetooth device. It has found E.C.E E.BAI, so we go to this device and we start the connection. The pairing process is on the way, so the IBAI is talking to the computer and computer is talking to the IBAI to get the connection ready. Select the default connection mode. Okay, the authorized process is already done, but we have to select the connection type. We have several of them. We can go
Sound.
to the right or to the left,
Keyboard.
pressing the left or right key to select the connection type. We can connect it as a keyboard,
Sound.
as a sound,
Keyboard and sound.
keyboard and sound. So now we will be able to control computer from eBay as an external keyboard, and at the same time we will get sound from the computer. We'll go through keyboard through eBay.
Hands-free device.
This is a hands-free device mode, so this is for connecting to the phones to be able to answer or make a call.
Hands-free and keyboard.
And this is a combination of hands-free and keyboard mode, so when we connect using this mode, then we will be able to control the mobile phone and also answer the calls.
External TTS and keyboard.
And this is external TTS, so when the IBAI will use its internal TTS speech and to work with the computer. Let's go to
Hands-free and keyboard. Hands-free device. Keyboard and sound.
keyboard and sound. Now we will connect to this computer as a keyboard and sound. Okay, now we are pressing the space.
Select the keyboard type.
And now
Windows keyboard.
we can select the keyboard type. Because we are using the Windows computer, we can select the Windows keyboard. But when we work with iOS system,
Voice over keyboard.
we can select voice over keyboard or
Android keyboard.
Android keyboard if you are working with Android.
Voice over keyboard.
Let's go left to
Windows keyboard.
Windows keyboard and select
The
this
name of the added
keyboard.
device is
This is end of the process of adding the new device and establishing the connection to it. We have this device on the list, and the name of this device is E.C.E. Pressing the left or right on left key, we can go through the list of the device, and at this time we have only one device because we have added this computer. The name of the device is not very nice because it's SS. We can change it by pressing the letter E, so dots 1 and 5.
Insert new name.
And now we can type the new name for this device. Let's change it to my computer.
M-Y.
Okay, we have already connected one device, my computer, and now I will show how to connect another device, mobile phone. So we will switch the eBay,
IBAI ready.
and eBay is ready, and now we will go to the Bluetooth device list.
My computer.
On the list we have only one device, my computer. You can go through the list by pressing left or right key, so 7 and 8 dot. So to add a new device we have to press an insert key, so the letter I with the dot 7 8. So dot 2, 4 and 7 8.
Do you want to add new device to the list?
And the connection button start again, so we get the message, do you want to add a new device to the list? Yes, we are answering yes. So the letter Y, dot 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for English, of course.
Start the connection process on the external device.
And now we have to start the connection process on the external device. Let's take the mobile phone now and start the connection process on it. So we have to switch on the Bluetooth. I will switch it on, and when the E.C.E IBAI will be found, I will just start the connection. And after a few seconds we will get the information from the IBAI again. I will move the mobile phone back.
Select the default connection mode.
Now we can select the connection mode. Keyboard is the first position. Sound. Keyboard and sound. Hands-free device. Because this mobile phone is not voiced, so I can use it to answer and make a call, so I will choose the hands-free device.
Select the keyboard type. Windows keyboard.
Now I can select the keyboard type, but because I'm not going to connect E.C.E keyboard, so I just select any. Okay, and now the device is already added, so we have already two devices, my computers and Windows Phone. Okay, how to make a new connection? Let's make a connection with iPhone. So I will switch off the Bluetooth by pressing dots 1, 2 and the middle button. So when the Bluetooth will be off, and we will go to the main level of the IBAI functions. So I will switch off the Bluetooth in this mobile phone, because I don't want to have any connection when I will create the new one. Let's take the iPhone now. So we do the same like it was with the mobile phones. So we go to the list of the Bluetooth devices by pressing the dots 1 and 2, and we have my computer, Windows Phone. So two devices we have on the list. To get a new one, to make a new connection, we do the same like in the previous example. So we will press the letter insert key, so the letter I with dot 78, so dot 2, 4 and 7, 8.
Do you want to add new device to the list?
And again we have a question, do you want to add a new device to the list? Yes, we answer yes, so the letter Y for English yes. Dot 1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Process on the external device.
And now we have to start the connection process on the external device. So we will go to our iPhone settings. So I will go to settings and I will go to Bluetooth, and I will switch on the Bluetooth. Okay, it has found IBAI, so I will go to IBAI and I will start the connection. Now it's similar like the other devices. I don't have to do anything with iPhone. Now I will get the message from the IBAI.
Select the default connection mode. Keyboard.
Let's go to keyboard and sound.
Keyboard and sound.
Because iPhone can be voiced, so we can have voice over speech on IBAI and also keyboard.
Select the keyboard type. Windows keyboard.
In this case we have iOS, so we will have voice over keyboard. Okay.
The name of the added device. iPhone E.C.E.
Okay, we have the iPhone E.C.E, another device on the list. So at this moment we have three of them.
Windows Phone.
My computer, Windows Phone and
E.C.E.
iPhone E.C.E. We can switch off the Bluetooth. and we can switch off the IBAI. Okay, how to connect to iPhone, how to make the connection when we already have the iPhone on the list. Let's first of all take and make it voicing, so we will hear the voiceover speaking. Okay, and let's do voiceover, and I will switch voiceover on.
Funkcja dostępność, przycisk wróć.
Okay, so as you can see, the voiceover is already working, but I want to drive and want to work with iPhone using the IBAI keyboard, so I will connect IBAI to iPhone. How to do that? Oh, we have to switch IBAI, of course, and then go to the list of the Bluetooth device.
My computer.
Go to
Windows Phone. iPhone.
iPhone
E.C.E.
and just press the space on the name.
Connected as sound and keyboard.
And it's already connected. So we have this sound from eBay, and we can control the iPhone by just pressing the
Game Center.
eBay
Podcast.
keys.
Game Center. Notes. Double tap to open. No.
You can type.
Edit. Folders. 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 Edit. On my iPhone. Notes. To recently deleted. New folder.
You can type. You can do everything you want. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.